In a Swiss mechanical watch, there are hundreds of gears, each of a different size and a different speed. But only when they work cohesively is when the watch delivers time correctly. Similarly, as the head girl, I'd like to bring about a more cohesive unit, work in unison and use each of our uniqueness to bring out the best in each member of the student council. While everyone has their own set of skills, their own set of things they're good at, let's make it a point to utilize our strengths and keep our focus on the goal.
Think of your favorite movie scene. Maybe it's just about how amazing the acting is. Or maybe it's about how amazing the dialogue writing is. Each of these scenes involve much more than just what you see on screen. It also involves forces behind the scenes, from the production team to the writing team, and just so much more. And it is these forces which cohesively work to form that one successful scene. As the head boy of DPS Sharjah, I look to work cohesively with my peers with respect, trust, and honesty. Let's all turn this group into a team and utilize individual accomplishments to achieve greater heights together.
Kaizen. This word expresses a Japanese business philosophy that involves progressive change in a business environment while allowing employees to develop their skills. Now, as your vice head girl, I truly believe that this philosophy can be implemented in our school to improve communication, build connections, and provide opportunities for you to improve yourself for the better.
As vice head boy, I'd like to help improve our school by bringing in suggestions from you, the student body, and getting administrative approval for your ideas. I wish to foster an environment of understanding and empathy between the school administration and the student body. And I wish to make school leadership a bit more accessible to our students. Another item on my agenda is to bring in more opportunities for you to be recognized for your academic and extracurricular achievements. And that is the Kaizen I wish to bring into our school.
Accountability. A fancy word to say that we, your student council, find it our first and foremost mission to be held accountable for the betterment of the student life here at DPS. And to make that happen, your every problem, query or suggestion, no matter how small it is to us of significance.
As your elected representatives of the student council, it is our duty to be accountable for the decisions we make. We will be working to create a better school environment for you by working with the other committees and implementing initiatives to benefit each and every student. The student council of this academic year is not only accountable for the students of today, but also the future generations of young DIPSites. In this transitional period during the pandemic, we will be making changes and policies that provide a symbol for the future of the school society. Laan Salam.
As Vice President Student Council, I want to be accountable to help you students solve your problems and bring about any changes that you wish to see in our school. There is no problem that is too big or too small that you cannot come to me with, and I'll always be here to help you solve it.
Accountability means to say what you do and do what you say. We, the members of the Student Council, promise to be held accountable to represent your ideas and your aspirations, and in turn be your voice.
It is indeed a great opportunity for students to embark on a cultural journey, as it is a fun-filled learning experience for them. Cultural events help in fostering solidarity and also provide incentive for interactions among students. Harnessing the best of both modes of schooling, a plethora of events await you all for this academic year. Let's venture into the unknown together.
As Robert Stevenson once said, the difficulty of literature is not to write, but to write what you mean. At the Cultural Society of DPS Sharjah, we believe that literature does not only help express oneself, but beholds the power to be influential for the benefit of others, and we want to encourage each student to harness that.
Influence. That is the essence of what literature is all about. Literature has the ability to shape minds, and that is the ability with which we want to empower the students of DPS society. And so, the Cultural Committee will strive to provide opportunities to the students to spread a positive influence over the school through literature.
Every individual has a unique talent, and when it's recognized, there's no limit to what one could achieve with it. Though some people may have innate talents, but it's the passion that can transform one's hobby to one's talent. And as the Vice President of Cultural Arts, I will ensure that every student gets the opportunity to exhibit their innate talents and get the platform to express their creative and innovative ideas.
Passion. It's what drives us to do the things that we do every time. Passion to express oneself. I will ensure that students are able to bring out their passion by expressing oneself in the form of music, art and dance, and leave no opportunity unturned.
The editorial board believes firmly in the quote that writing is a passion, expression, and an incessant obsession. We understand that writing, art, and photography are the most authentic forms of expression in this society. Celebration of expressing oneself is very significant, and that is why this year's e-magazine will cross the boundaries with its immense creativity and eloquence.
We live in a society full of intellectual and diverse websites with skills that go unnoticed. One of the key motives of the editorial board is expression, to make sure that your skills are always at the forefront.
Expression is the action of making known one's feelings and thoughts. We, the Editorial Board 2021-22, strive to give a voice to all the students to express themselves through poetry, articles, and other mediums on a platform which will serve as a blanket of diversity and celebrate individuality in our society.
There are a lot of ideas and thoughts that are bubbling inside the minds of the student body. What we as the editorial committee promise to do is provide several avenues through which you can express yourselves. Expression is what we're going to focus on, and we're going to do it using the newspaper and several other sources.
What you stand for is what you stand on. Bearing this in mind, the Environment Committee at DPS Sharjah is here to support you in all the sustainable and eco-friendly endeavours you choose to embark upon to ensure that each and every website lives in a sustainable, healthy and happy environment.
The environment is what we all have in common. The Environment Committee wishes to cultivate a culture in dip sites to raise awareness about the impact of our actions on the environment and to come up with novel ideas to keep our school and local community clean and environment friendly. Let's work towards a sustainable and happy environment.
The earth is our home and has protected us for centuries. Now it is the time for us to do the same. The Environment Club strives to create a happy, peaceful and sustainable environment with the help of our students. We are the future leaders, thinkers, designers and creators. The sky's the limit for us, and if we don't help the environment, who will?
The environment is where we all meet, have a mutual interest, and is the one thing we all share in common. At DPS Sharjah, we aim to achieve ecological and sustainable goals as well as inspire our students to take mindful actions that support both our school as well as the environment. So let's work for a better tomorrow by making the right decisions today.
The harder you work for something, the greater you feel when you achieve it. To attain success, diligence and being persistent is essential, but it's not about winning or losing, but how much you learn and improve yourself. It's about those moments, those memories and fun you had while practice with your teammates and others. We will help the students of the DPS Society to discover their true potential, stay committed, persevere and trust each other.
If you can't outplay them, outwork them. Discipline, dedication and diligence are all important keys to success. We at DPS Society love to work hard along with having fun. The Sports Committee would love to help you experience the joy of the sport that you love, make memories along the way, as well as learn the importance of hard work.
Using the skills and diligence of the DPS Society, our objective is to increase student participation in sports activities by imparting team spirit and sportsmanship in each and every dip site. Shooting in as your vice sports captain.
We, the Sports Prefectural Board of DPS Sharjah, promise to instill the values of diligence, sportsmanship and team spirit in our society by leading as good examples ourselves and inspiring others to have a never-give-up attitude towards life.
We live in a tech-savvy world that is rapidly innovating due to advancements in digitization. But with advancements comes more cyber threat. As the digital leader, it is my duty to ensure that each and every student of the school is aware about cybersecurity and about the various technological advancements in the school.
As the digital leader, it is my duty to ensure that the school is continuously innovating in the field of technology, as well as adopting modern methods of teaching, and to make sure that every student of the school is aware of the latest technological advancements in school.
There is nothing more expensive than a missed opportunity. But opportunities don't just happen, they're created. As your house captains for Amazon this year, we cannot wait to provide you with all the right opportunities to get back into house activities and build up that house spirit after such an unprecedented year of staying cooped up at home.
Challenges can be met when provided the opportunities to do so, and as the captains of the Amazon House, it is our duty to provide to all the students of the DPO society with the support and resources necessary. Together, we shall revive the culture and make the house once great again.
As captain of Danube House, we envision a school where students can express their opinions, showcase their talent, and above all, work as a team to represent their house to the best of their abilities.
As the Danube House captain, we at DPS Sharjah ensure that each and every student get equal opportunities to express themselves as well as share their opinions so that they can envision themselves as a better person tomorrow.
Resilience is the little challenges in life that make us grow, learn, and be wiser. As house captains of Indus, we're here to help you face your challenges with faith, focus, courage, determination, and an open mind.
Try, and you will succeed. We as members of the Student Council promise to promote values of resilience among our students and effectively combine determination and talent.
Synergy refers to the combined act of cooperation. As house captain, I am beyond delighted for this opportunity to build a sense of cooperation among my house members and use this synergy to lead our house to victory.
That's right. Synergy is what makes a team much more stronger. It is also what makes a team much more efficient and effective. We believe that in a team, when everybody is benefited, that is what makes a team much more healthy and prosperous. Hence, that is our goal to ensure that synergy is maintained in each and every team we form.
The Health and Mind Club's main aim is to empathize and make sure that we students have a healthy and positive mindset. Together, we'll strive towards making a positive, safe, and friendly environment for all. Thank you.
We believe in instilling the value of empathy. We will strive to provide you with an all-inviting platform that allows you to express yourself openly, both emotionally and creatively.
As the Vice President of the Health and Mind Club at DPS Sharjah, I can assure you that the mental health of each and every DIPSite matters, and we will strive to achieve this through empathy and kindness.
Empathy involves the ability to be cognitive, emotional, and compassionate. The Health and Mind Club aims to inculcate these values in every DIPSite.